Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is an essential nutrient that plays a foundational role in cell division, DNA synthesis, and red blood cell formation. Among the many natural sources of folate, starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn stand out as accessible, comforting, and surprisingly effective carriers of this important B vitamin. While these vegetables are primarily celebrated for their complex carbohydrates and fiber, they also quietly contribute to daily folate needs, helping to support metabolic health and overall vitality in ways that are both nourishing and delicious. Folate's most celebrated role lies in its involvement in the synthesis and repair of DNA and RNA, the genetic material that governs how cells grow, replicate, and function. This makes it especially critical during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. However, even for adults, a steady supply of folate is necessary to maintain healthy cell turnover, support brain function, and protect against anemia by aiding in the production of red blood cells. Without adequate folate, these systems may slow down or malfunction, leading to fatigue, weakness, or more serious complications over time. Starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn offer a comforting and familiar way to introduce folate into the diet. A medium potato with a skin can provide a meaningful percentage of the daily folate requirement, while also delivering potassium, vitamin C, and complex carbohydrates that digest slowly and support steady energy levels. Corn, especially when eaten fresh or in minimally processed forms like hominy or polenta, is another solid source of folate. These starchy foods are often included in balanced meals that may feature legumes, greens, or lean proteins, ingredients that complement folate both nutritionally and functionally. What makes folate especially well-suited to starchy plant foods is how naturally they fit into the kinds of meals that encourage consistent, long-term energy and nutritional absorption. Since folate is water-soluble and not stored in large quantities by the body, it must be consumed regularly. Starchy vegetables, which often form the basis of lunches and dinners around the world, provide a practical foundation for that daily intake. When meals include items like mashed potatoes, roasted corn, or sweet potato casseroles, they do more than satisfy. They contribute quietly to the inner workings of cellular health and regeneration. Even traditional recipes, when viewed through the lens of modern nutrition, reflect an intuitive understanding of this synergy. In many Latin American and African dishes, corn is paired with beans, greens, or stews that contain other B vitamins, iron, and protein, an ensemble that supports folate's role in blood health and metabolism. Similarly, in European cuisines, potatoes often appear alongside leafy greens or liver, two of the richest sources of folate, reinforcing this nutrient's importance in meals that support vitality and resilience. Cooking methods can influence folate retention since it is sensitive to heat and can leach into cooking water. To preserve folate in starchy vegetables, gentle steaming, baking, or roasting are preferable to prolonged boiling. Keeping the skins on potatoes helps lock in more of the nutrient, as much of the folate resides near the outer layers. Corn, when grilled or lightly steamed, also maintains a good portion of its folate content, making simple preparation methods both flavorful and nutritionally smart. Importantly, including starchy vegetables in the diet offers more than just a boost in folate. It also provides a comforting, familiar canvas that encourages the inclusion of other nutrient-rich foods. A plate of roasted potatoes topped with sautéed spinach, or a corn and black bean salad tossed with avocado and lime, exemplifies how folate-rich starches can support a colorful, well-rounded meal. These combinations not only taste great, but also reflect the kind of balanced eating that naturally delivers the micronutrients needed for energy, repair, and long-term health. In an age where many diets are increasingly fragmented or stripped down in pursuit of specific goals, the presence of folate in everyday starchy vegetables serves as a quiet reminder of the nourishment that simple, whole foods can provide. When we enjoy these staples with a variety of other plant-based ingredients, we give our bodies the resources they need to thrive, not through synthetic enhancements, but through the natural power of food working in harmony with human physiology. Folate may work behind the scenes, but its effects are felt in every cell, every breath of energy, and every moment of vitality.